Hi, welcome to Interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume using the following link. In this video, I'm going to give you a list of core Java interview questions. It will be really helpful for you to prepare for your Java interview. So I've prepared here 95 Java interview questions, very important interview questions, and I have highlighted here few important terms that you should be aware of before you enter the interview room. Okay, so even before you enter the interview room, you should be knowing all these terms. Okay, so here is the list. Difference between interface and abstract class, garbage collection, synchronization, pass by value or pass by reference, whether Java is pass by value or pass by reference, hash map, hash table. You should be thorough. The concepts of static keyword, static method and class, platform independence, what is JVM and what is the difference between JVM and JDK, singleton class, constructor, finalized methods, what is the purpose, exceptions, very important, and the order of exceptions and hierarchy, runtime exception and checked exceptions. Okay, what is the use of throws, finally, and polymorphism. In the next slide we have abstract class and encapsulation, interface and abstract class and immutable objects, what is the benefit of immutable objects, and comparable interface and comparator interfaces. You can read more on that. Static block, overloading and overriding. Okay, final class, very important. Null point exception, and very important thread concepts you should understand. Okay, when a thread is started, what is the life cycle of a thread, two different types of exceptions, file not found exception, IO exception, what is the order, which does the order matters? Yes, of course that order matters. Okay, otherwise compiler will cry. Serialization, very important. How do I convert a state of an object into a flat file? How can I write my state of an object into a flat file? That's where the serialization comes into picture. Okay, so serialization very important. Transient variable, synchronization concepts, then break statement and continue statement. What are the different types of states of a thread? Okay, runnable, running. Okay, there are different types of states for a thread, so please be clear about that. And synchronized methods and synchronized statements, what is the benefit? Private constructor, why do we need it? What is the benefit of using a private constructor? Life cycle of a thread. And generics, very important. There are a lot of questions in generics. Very important. Why strings are immutable? What is the benefit? String constant pool. Then different types of memory inside the JVM. How to make Java class immutable using you should not provide any setters method for the variables, instance variables, and mark the variables as private. So what is synchronization? Can you assign null to this reference variable? So the next slide we have very important, equals and hashcode method. When you write override equal methods, and if you don't override the hashcode method, what happens? And if you don't override the equals method but you have override hashcodes, what will happen? So these are the combinations of in this topic. Very important, equals and hashcode method, serialization, and inner classes, very important. Static fields, what will happen in this what will happen during the process of serialization for the static fields, observer, observable, string buffer, string builder, then out of memory error, what is the use of finally block, what is marker interface. Okay, this is the last slide we have. Thread local, sleep, suspend, wait, what are these methods meant for? Static method, if I synchronize static method, what happens? It is at the class level, so thread can enter the instance methods. Okay, so please remember, synchronization at the class methods, it's synchronization at the object level methods. Okay, so what is deadlock, what is thread pool, what is class loader, and can you make a constructor final? So I've given you very important core Java interview questions. Thank you for watching this video, and all the best.